Good morning. Good morning to you all. Just getting up. Nice and quiet. Bigfoot didn't came back last night. You're with me. You got my back. That's why he didn't came back. All right, folks. We'll get some wood and we'll make a fire and then we'll cook pork chops and we'll go for a boat ride up that way. So we'll see if we see some moose. I hope so. Some dry meat will be good with the meat slicer. Okay, I'll shut this off. Start of the day. Grub box out. Here's my grub box I built with the little handle. Everyone used to have this kind. You put your utensils here. Here's the pork chops, and we'll make some breakfast. It's good to chop your wood small so it'll split faster. You have it big, it's harder. The log's not so flat there. See, even small is hard. Harder. good, that one. Some of them are rotten. This one here is good. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay, folks, I got fire starter. This is the rotten limbs from a spruce tree at the bottom. We'll put a bunch of these real fast. We'll use gas. We'll use gas to light our fire. Or maybe we'll use Kleenex. I don't want to scare you guys. Yeah, this stuff is good, so we could use Kleenex. You can use gas, but you got to be professional and use a long stick and light it. Boom. Should I show you guys? You won't get mad if I start a fire with gas? I'm thinking about it now. Wouldn't hurt, I guess. 18 plus. Gotta be 18 plus. And gotta be experienced. Yeah, I'll show you guys with gas. Be educational. If you had to fell in the water and had to fell in the river and then you had to make a fire fast, you'll need to know this. Yeah, we'll make it educational with gas. If you had a bad situation, falling or in a river or in the ice, and you had to make a fire real quick, we'll make it up. Okay. Okay. You're in the river. You fall in the river. You're cold. You have to make a fire fast. Put your wood in. Your sticks. Give some air hole in the center, or it's gonna burn out of. Okay, now we got that. Get the fuel. Gotta get my lighter. Okay. I'll put this here. When you're pouring a little, don't use much. That's good enough. Don't use much, that's the key. If you fell in the river and you had to make a fire fast, see, it wasn't big of a bang. Let's hope it'll burn now. Yeah. Oh shit, it's cold. Okay, we'll get ready to cook. Okay, more fire starter. burning. She'll burn slow and once it gets up, heated up, it'll get going. All right, save my battery.